Thiku 14 nicio kiama kia arigitania gikiro gia clinical officers maheanite kuri thirikari na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri cia kuhingia maundu maria maiguithanirio na kwaga uguo makorwo magicokereria mugomo o undu umwe na mirurungano. Kuringana na atongoria kiama-ini giki ni ati ona thengia wa gwitikaniria na thirikari cia kaunti o undu umwe na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri na magitikira kunina mugomo wa thiku 99, thirikari ndikoretwo ikionania wendi wa gukinyaniria maundu maria maiguithanirio.
Given that the deadline for implementation was the first day of September 2024, we have done numerous letters, they have refused to respond. And so we are saying they are in breach of the return to work agreement of the year 2024.
Mamwe ma mateta ma KUCO ni hamwe na kwambatirio ngathi kuri arigitani aria makinyanirie kiro, gukuruhanio mubango-ini wa insurance, kuheo wira wa gutura kuri clinical officers aria mari mubango-ini wa UHC gatagati-ini ka mangi. Atongoria ya magitariria maya ni maundu maiguithanirie na kanjo ya magavana o undu umwe na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri na uguo ni mabatie kuhingio.
All the clinical officers under the 47 counties, under the Ministry of Health, under Kenyatta National Hospital, under KUTRH, under Mathari Hospital, under MTRH, shall proceed on strike as from the midnight of 19th.
I rely on a person who is not specialized in my area using their registration number under different act to perform a procedure.
Mateta mangi ma kiama giki ni thibitari iria iri rungu rwa KUCO kwaga gukuruhanio hari uheani wa motungata rungu rwa mubango wa SHA, guku magitariria ona thengia wa kuria bodi ya SHA kumakuruhania mateta mao matirathikiririo.
Law provided that facilities that were providing services and existed before the Social Health Authority that were offering services under the NHF, all of them were transitioned to offer services under the Social Health Authority, except the one that are registered under the Clinical Officers Council.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.